Now let's put our knowledge and tools into practice with a common engine repair spark plug replacement. This is a crucial maintenance task that can significantly improve your vehicle's performance and longevity. Spark plugs are responsible for igniting the fuel-air mixture in the cylinders. They play a vital role in the engine's combustion process. Over time, they can become worn or fouled, leading to misfires, reduced fuel economy, and difficulty starting. Regular replacement ensures your engine runs smoothly. Here's a step-by-step guide to replacing your spark plugs. Follow these steps carefully to ensure a successful replacement. 1. Locate the spark plugs. They are usually found on the top or side of the engine. They are typically located on the top or side of the engine, connected to thick rubbery wires known as spark plug wires. 2. Disconnect the battery. This is a crucial safety step. This is crucial to prevent electrical shock. Always prioritize safety when working on your vehicle. Disconnect the negative terminal first. This minimizes the risk of accidental short circuits. 3. Remove the spark plug wires. Be gentle to avoid damaging the wires. Carefully pull on the boot, not the wire itself, to avoid damage. This ensures the wires remain intact for reinstallation. 4. Remove the old spark plugs. Use the appropriate tools to avoid stripping the threads. Use a spark plug socket and ratchet to loosen and remove the old plugs. Ensure you have the correct size socket for your spark plugs. 5. Install the new spark plugs. Make sure they are the correct type for your engine. Hand tighten the new plugs first, then use the spark plug socket and torque wrench to tighten to the manufacturer's specifications. This ensures they are properly seated and secure. 6. Reinstall the spark plug wires. Make sure they are properly seated on the new spark plugs. Make sure to reconnect the battery. This final step brings your engine back to life. Reconnect the negative terminal last. And that's it. You've completed the process. You've successfully replaced your